Okay, so we figured out our application problem using a tape diagram. Now, let's try and use our break apart and distribute strategy with an array. So right here, I have an array drawn. Let me get this notebook out of the way. I have an array drawn that matches 6 times 8. My array represents 6 times 8. So I'm just going to put that at the top so I don't forget. Now, we already all know 6 times 8 equals 48. We just solved that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and make this a little easier to work with, and I'm going to use that 5 plus something strategy. Now, because I've got my 6 rows here, I'm going to keep that the same. So I'm going to say 6 times, and then I'm going to break apart my 8. I'm going to break apart my 8 into 5 plus 3. Okay, now if I have 6 times 5 plus 3, how would that look in my array? I need to draw that imaginary cut line so I know exactly where to stop. So I'm going to draw that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right like that. Okay, now all I need to do is I need to solve. I'm going to do it over here. 6 times 5 and 6 times 3. Easy peasy, right? 6 times 5, and I can even count it. 5, 10, 15, 20. Whoops, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Counting the wrong way. 30 plus, and then 6 times 3. I could do it by 3s, or I could do it by 6s. I could say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, or I could say 6, 12, 18. Either way, 18. 30 plus 18 is 48. So that's how I use my break apart and distribute strategy with the 5 plus something.